Grandpa teaches English. Subscribe now.
I walk in the park. I walk in the park. I am walking in the park. I am walking in the park. I have walked in the park. I have walked in the park. I have been walking for an hour. I have been walking for an hour. I walked in the park yesterday. I walked in the park yesterday. I was walking in the park. I was walking in the park. I had walked before it rained. I had walked before it rained. I had been walking for a long time. I had been walking for a long time. I will walk in the park tomorrow. I will walk in the park tomorrow. I will be walking in the morning. I will be walking in the morning. I paint the fence. I paint the fence. I am painting the fence. I am painting the fence. I have painted the fence. I have painted the fence. I have been painting since morning. I have been painting since morning. I painted the door last week. I painted the door last week. I was painting when it started to rain. I was painting when it started to rain. I had painted the wall before sunset. I had painted the wall before sunset. I had been painting for 3 hours. I had been painting for 3 hours. I will paint the chair tomorrow. I will paint the chair tomorrow. I will be painting all day. I will be painting all day. I catch a fish. I catch a fish. I am catching a fish. I am catching a fish. I have caught a fish. I have caught a fish. I have been catching fish for 2 hours. I have been catching fish for 2 hours. I caught a big fish yesterday. I caught a big fish yesterday. I was catching a fish when the wind blew. I was catching a fish when the wind blew. I had caught the fish before the boat arrived. I had caught the fish before the boat arrived. I had been catching fish since morning. I had been catching fish since morning. I will catch a fish tomorrow. I will catch a fish tomorrow. I will be catching fish at this time I will be catching fish at this time. I check the net. I check the net. I am checking the net. I am checking the net. I have checked the net. I have checked the net. I have been checking the net for 10 minutes. I have been checking the net for 10 minutes. I cleaned the boat yesterday. I cleaned the boat yesterday. I was cleaning the boat when it rained. I was cleaning the boat when it rained. I had cleaned the boat before noon. I had cleaned the boat before noon. I had been cleaning the boat for an hour. I had been cleaning the boat for an hour. I will buy a new rod tomorrow. I will buy a new rod tomorrow. I will be buying a rod in the morning. I will be buying a rod in the morning. I cook the fish. I cook the fish. I am cooking the fish. I am cooking the fish. I have cooked the fish. I have cooked the fish. I have been cooking for 30 minutes. I have been cooking for 30 minutes. I cooked a meal last night. I cooked a meal last night. I was cooking when the phone rang. I was cooking when the phone rang. I had cooked the dinner before they arrived. I had cooked the dinner before they arrived. I had been cooking since 4 p.m. I had been cooking since 4 p.m. I will cook a special dish tomorrow. I will cook a special dish tomorrow. I will be cooking at 6 p.m. I will be cooking at 6 p.m. I eat my dinner. I eat my dinner. I am eating my dinner. I am eating my dinner. I have eaten my dinner. I have eaten my dinner. I have been eating for 20 minutes. I have been eating for 20 minutes. I shared a story last night. I shared a story last night. I was sharing a story with her. I was sharing a story with her. I had shared the story before bed. I had shared the story before bed. I had been sharing stories all evening. I had been sharing stories all evening. I will sleep early tonight. I will sleep early tonight. I will have slept by dawn. I will have slept by dawn.